Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips BT1210x15 USB cordless beard trimmer. You can see that this is a very basic box, very similar to the other boxes of the series 1000 beard trimmers by Philips. There is not much of note here other than the fact that this trimmer supports USB charging and can run for 30 minutes on a single charge. Not bad at all. Now let's open this up. It's neatly wrapped in this compartment right here. Let's remove this. This is what the trimmer looks like. It has a beautiful ergonomic design. You will notice the Philips logo on the side. And it's ready to use. It also has a pretty solid grip. Let's keep the trimmer to the side and see what else is in the box. Up next we have two comb extensions of variable lengths. We also have a tiny brush. This is used to clean the blade and the head. Additionally, we also have a micro USB charging cable. Finally, we have some documents like the warranty card and the user manual. And that's all you will find in this box. Thank you for watching.